The national chairman of the National Democratic Congress political party, Johnson Asiedu Nketiah. Wo ye Mahama for third term no. Aba silence will be a. Asiedu Nketiah be kazo tirim ze he. Mo ye third term that mabo banda. As a mabo banda. Padmo adi straight bullet. Why you see nyina hye be Asiedu Nketiah be fire. Na wasa kan se bi e de ache Ghana fo no. Ama Kwesi Pratt Junior so no abeka bi. Won so be fire third term agenda ye. Won so be fire bi. Enye easy. Ayi Penyah block me. Best was say didi mu. Obe like keep video that one subscribers and some click notification icon of latest update. Some better wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section. Oba so a no wa for enya bia hwe no can phone na la money send up na dia ma o USA and UK opposite sense ka e de ba fie Ghana and I say any other Africa country bia so through the person's mobile money account and I say bank account so a you can do that. Channel app na eto phone so na a register account. For send is every fee from pro code Penyah TV. Na o amount $20 amazing for free. Almost transactions are very fast. It's Rubian or Sunday ya. This can kudru fee. Na ya say $20. Now let's go to the story. Ya to about 104 Mahama etuna kunya so. Na Mahama entwa na awotwe mpo. E na nkomo bi Esther TV dia ne so. Ni nyina say Mahama for third term. Just say owo 2/3 into no. Owo ultimate majority and supremacy over the constitution. Which ma de umza ke kano ayensa chere bi. Ezo mu ka say Mahama on the constitution no. Na on go for another term. It's on go for third term. Yeah, do obi atena konwa so. Our 4 years mandate. 4 years. On twa 1 month impo. Ema ye hu ba bia memwo no at the end of the 4 years no. Bebo de Ghana e kwa akoduro. Ye hu no ye. Yes still. Chinchin atwan. On se samra no na on go for third term. Na sa na kire oman. Just say within the NDC members no, they don't care. Say or the Ghana ekwo wie ye. So the Ghana ekwo wi arehuo mu, what the Ghana ekwo wi oseye mu, they don't care. All that they care to know is say them see Mahama as a president. Mabubo adam na sana chiro man Ghana. Boga say Ghana the Ghana be grant to plan say. Boga say Ghana the Ghana be grant to plan. Dem kwa say ade no. E ma do be a conversation. E wa kan 2025 no. Wo yo si e beji to mu. Wo yo si beji so mu e mo be kan say Mahama say on go for third term. Ono no wo yo si oboy demonstration.
Papa, Michelle, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, you are John Dramani Kwame Mahama, Sabi Biu, Wakeke Waye, Oba, Michelle. Papa, Wadaruma, Umsua Beka, say, Unkubiu. Papa, Omani Sufra you. Papa, Omani here more. Papa, Omani Sufra Bill. Yes, say you mean to me, Papa, the way we see woman, yes, so. Namia dom, when you're 2/3 of Parliament. Papa, Constitution at the house ye bay or ye bay review. And I say bay amendment. Papa, you first have konya way so. Papa, Nina amendment, next or 2 or so, another 4 years be my. Papa said you see woman, oh, you're coming come out to soon, you know. Yes, so. Oh, so work as own could be a dear. Papa, but who is state man? Omani na dadun dawso omani kan ko hiyan
Ezema make you bokana. Oh no, why you see be demonstrations etia Mahama e wa Ghana as serious e ma that conversation no Padmo and started NDC activist on TikTok on started this whole nonsense emu na Prophet Rogers so dey come she buy no kire mu say o hawie mu a o se awie mu ye clear say does hu niema no say bibia say Sunday ene 2028 ohun ni say Mahama ene da so te Ghana konwa so ema ye kodu December mu no and you have for friends hey oh no blah 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 and you to your friends blah 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 you want to work can say begum for na mu na yesere bu say say de o si hu ye no ensa kire bia ba na say do hu niema no sa na te ho no ana prophet edit to so say there be say do hu niema no de she say sign
sign bibia.
Do you see say a man penny betimi asan akobio?
I have seen it. Say he's going for the third time and he will win the election. That is it. Until say, until America say, me be say unity. Now me breaking yama be down ye. Emma Ghana for TSA.
Okay.
And for the good
of the country.
Of the country. In a way. And in another way, so no, bibi wa chide. Bibi wa no be chire sa de kro.
We na hu ya ne ye de ye hu bibi ebe ye yie no bi. Anase we de nyame aka. Nti ye hwe ya enye yie.
Enkomo bi koso. I have seen say enkomo na koso amepo no kra ye ya abo awie. Se po ni nya bo wie dia ye hu hwe a sa na wo sisi.
Na se po na ntimi amo anwia.
Po na ntimi amo anwia. Ani ni ebeja ato ba still na de ye hu ne de sa na ebi hu no. Tiana de sa na ti.
Asama wo kan de.
Emodu
pa.
Mahama na no hu se oye president. Ne se Mahama term na ehon komo ana etwa say akopie mu hu wiase nyina. Ama that same 2025 no prophet David so be ka say ohuru say Asiedu Nketiah and the next president of Ghana after Mahama.
Once Mahama finishes his election, unless General Asiedu Nketiah is dead, is the next president. He's called the president of the kings.
Mama kunya dia money 4 years we twa wie no okwa. Enipa wo ye the next president e wo Ghana ha no mo. Johnson Asiedu Nketiah a now oye mu national chairman. Next na na be enkomo ni mienu edifo kukuda mienu. Obi abekasa. We say Mahama tia kunya 2028. We say Mahama Asiedu Nketiah and the next president na ye twen. Enti enkomo na ba ya be 2026 yi mo. Na 2026 ni na say Mahama so kama Mahama third agenda no eba na ebia bogu ekoya makodu say Mahama kwa dinga ka say on go for third term bia. Emma teacher ni bi a we statement e dey asem no court e say on tiase. Say Mahama say on go for third term on Mahama enya adwin to asem no e court Supreme Court say Supreme Court e hwebra ni maye say embra e permit e say obi wetin o man so na so man for say oyo man ni ya obi go for another term and now say the Supreme Court e hwem e ma asem no e wo court now no otemu for Penyah mo ti asem no so go e hwem omunya for mo final verdict e maye but ye go twen go so twen no enkomo no da so ekọ Mahama for third term no ekọ ama now akọ say NDC party ni mu no e ba be chemie no say on support Mahama for third term agenda na akọ say now no o pedwo Mahama asem esa pe NDC asem but say o bi a on support third term agenda no for Mahama na akọ say now no time Mahama say na no mu create that impression no e wo social media within the NDC party Omu created that impression within the NDC party. Ama kwes now say on can be Emma Mahama for third term now. On pe Mahama asem. And some pe party nasem. But so supporting Mahama for third term say o pe Mahama asem. Now the party Mahama ne busa for there. Mentimas Mahama ne busa for there na. Ana aside Mahama no obi any party ni mu a obeti any party ni. E dey ni. Aside his excellency no. Ada munni obi o party ni bi munni enipa sana. Nipa adwene o mtiri o masen o party man said I don't get it. Aside Mahama no his excellency the president with all due respect aside on the president no nipa adwene o mtiri o this party wetin di o man ni munni bi o ho bi man said the mentem ase. Cause emu obi a why must you force obi say chinchina won go for third term why? Emma nkomo we na busia abia bibia wo ho no mo e wa akra nanse Mahama be ka sai no kire mu say ono no Ghanaians only gave him 4 years mandate.
The people of Ghana gave me a mandate for 1 term. And I am working hard to meet the promises I made them. And so I always tell my ministers, I say, let's number our days so that we can work harder to meet the promises we made the Ghanaian people. I know that people have gone to the Supreme Court seeking interpretation of the clause that governs the tenure of the president. If you ask my personal opinion, I thought that it was clear enough. Me, I've read it over several times. It's exactly what it says, but if they want to ask the Supreme Court, that is their business. But I know that the people of Ghana gave me 1 additional term, and I'm going to work to meet the trust that they put in me. Thank you very much.
But some command the says, Mahama, Yanti Winsam Nasi, Kwesi po. Term no be call, and answer uncle. But Mahama no can na. One sit down conclude as rest of the corner, so one sit down Kwesi po. Emma no kurano. Kwesi Pratt Junior because say Mahama pass out done in the home because of Kasi and trying Supreme Court ruling no. Emma Kwesi because say Mahama pass out done in the home after Supreme Court ruling no Mahama because any or be kwa. And then come Mahama who be no papa.
Danny who be catch us or protect them according to who be no ye pa.
Na se Kwesi waka so ompe. Waka no bebre.
Ebi no mo ka se bia ye hanya. Na se ye hanya dia. Ene na hu papa.
David,
enti ni se be baso.
Enti me nya hanya.
Tetem no emma so. Na oni Fifi Kwete. NDC General Secretary no. Wakasa afasa no me hu.
O se party no mfa so.
Sape. Osmo mo yesa no.
Omo greedy.
Wakasa omo ye greedy and opportunist. That's one person papa no corner
omo bibi nti a ombenya adie.
Exactly. No more greediness no opportunism no. Ebe how mine no. Ebe how papa lankasa. Ebe how biara. It omo ntwaso. Omo ntwaso kra ni ntumi enya sumdwe.
Ya hwe na
Tetem no de masa emmaso.
Ya hwe na Supreme Court beka.
Oh, masa emmaso kwami. Tetem emmaso. Oh.
Because social constitution ye lawyer for enti
Kwami, unti brofo.
Meti kakra fine.
Say nye lawyer for nkwa na ti brofo.
Meti kakra fine, but me brofo kakra minim no. Say me share article 66 na. 66:2 or say a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms.
Finish.
Almost say ankasa consecutively.
Finish. For more than 2 terms finish.
Because 2025, Mahama Kura Beka say on go for 3rd term bia. Next after Supreme Court ruling, Mahama sa dano Beka say when you make Supreme Court submit my court and make kwa. Kwesi Beka say Mahama ho be nu hu obesuro ne pay. But 3rd term on come no, egus e kuna you know say NDC so no. Omo nyanye omo flag bearership race no. Obi anim de ntia. So mo twen Supreme Court ruling no so that Mahama 3rd term agenda omo ne be shame. And I said that obi anim de ntia omo nyanye omo flag bearership race but MB before every omo de. Now omo flag bearership race ne head will be as way in the tier all contested but ebi mo kire say eh how na do so pe akonya na di atofo sin epebia di Nketiah epebia di Juros Dabra so epebia di je say eh nkomo abi mu ekeka but omo na eka form de obi head anyi nanim so opa akonya bia di obi anyi nanim but eh nkomo a omo supporters ni bi within NDC party na ngasemu omo ekeka but Osha communicated for Nketiah any Juros Dabra how social media so no almost into 2 billion money when say akwa say no kure say Juros Dabra na Nketiah omo bnya akonya na ombedi omunya ombedi pa omunya ombedi next Mahama for 3rd term no nkomo no sign koso wo media na so Mahama for 3rd term agenda no egu so koso ama ebi mo ani abere gidi to 2 jana Mahama for 3rd term and say woni won support Mahama 3rd term na on pe NDC asem on pe Mahama asem a whole lot of stuff now we say enra no ana the ambassador obi any TV dikai obi any studio as ya to the ambassador studio as the ambassador TV as say nice pa what I say nice na obi ye no the first person we interview no e the studio hono Honorable Johnson Asiedu Nketiah the national chairman for the NDC party na no mo di nkomo for constitution review report from the buyer no any Supreme Court atimo de aba na so na no yayi delegate voting system efro no so omo di nkomo fa ho na enkomo be kwa we ye eno mo chip in Mahama 3rd term agenda no ese bi because Asiedu Nketiah Mahama ebe go for 3rd term na what is your take on that we take any say busunya way any say mo 3rd term agenda no ho no Asiedu Nketiah ewo de ka kire Ghana for
se me twi Ghana for adwene akobibi so
Okay.
on say nansan ewu na bibi asore asi o 3rd term agenda 3rd term agenda sa subject no nye subject kitwa sese yedidi agro
Okay.
but the way a man for a debate ho asem no akwa say ye de aye personalities so omo de abeya in President Mahama ko mu say wa obeka say wo petetem no na wo pe Mahama asem wa obeka say wo petetem no na che say wo time Mahama a very dangerous adwuma a womo ye
Okay.
so na MPP for so a start Mahama ni 3rd term agenda ntini ye chese woman per se force the campaign message.
Okay.
So now President Mahama mo kana semu. Wa ba be ka say onye interested. Na nipa no si onye interested. Na wo say makoko to say me ko hye no amanaye. Na uteti asofo no binum a asi o tete ma me kura me dia bamba bi o. Say sofo bi ka say eyi me de me ka say me gina presidential eyi a obi antimi bitimi na de be ha me an say tete Mahama ne tete agenda no memfa ma no ntum me de ma no tumpe acha say ebe say ade no kura ama Mahama de abufu akọ abrante bi ama na bebitimi na me ni prophecy mu hunu mu.
Okay.
But we prophecy ametuma bisa question kakra say nipa no a ono wabeka say ade no ompe menso menyanto manum to say mekoba bia na menkoba bi.
Okay.
Na wahwe mu aka say me Asiedu Nketiah nko a asemu ya ba die eno ye ba ko de tosu mi nu nso no de enyina so a ye gina so aye campaign na ye mamu no Ghana fo so agi atum no ade ba ko pa ne se Ghana fo gi tum se President Mahama ye nokwafo onti se baumia enti o ka asemo a he means it.
Okay.
So na wa prophecy we say wa unim se President Mahama be ka se onye interest o se Asiedu Nketiah de kokan bia na che se Mahama bubefu no na wakọ akofa abrante bi ama ono abegina enti na sem no we prophecy no mu a na che se either say Mahama nye no kwafo say o kanu abonten say onko no owo ade bi pe bi wo sumase say obekọ.
Okay.
Eno na be ma say Asiedu Nketiah akokan bia obenya bufu di ama Asiedu Nketiah anya sa. Ghana force nim say President Mahama kan okre eno no so abekasi enti Saudi prophecy e be create impression bi say President Mahama e kan semba akon da Ghana for eno osan wo bi wo sumase a say ukobo so a eno nti obenya ho abufu a na President Mahama na nimu nyamnya no na opese odi twitwiri fam.
Okay.
So eno da nchen a de to sumi no tetem or no tetem no me kura nse se o mo kan no tetem because issue I da ho ne se ya sheda tema ye twere constitution no ena ye no se ye term limit.
Okay.
Because na ye nyina ye pe kwan a ye be fa so a o man no ye democracy no be gina enti ye call consultative assembly no ye sheda fa constitutions ya every we num term former governor last governor no term constitution omo ye de Kwame Nkrumah di akonwa no.
Okay.
Ene Kwame Nkrumah de 1960 de ne de aka no nyina besi ye fa ni nyina ade to ho ne e fa adwene se de ben ene yesinto ewo earlier constitutions no mu a emma ye democracy no a enyina said the be ya ye be hihye nema bi a be ma sa constitution wo ya bai de e be gina. So inti sa analysis na ye no ene ma ye introduce new things bi wo fourth Republican constitution mu na any previous ones eno na ama constitution wo ye gina di 30 years. So
Okay.
baako a term limit no. So now before you come to term limits kra no On say democracy. I see into aba. Enyi yana musifo enyi di obedi president no me ade. Enti si enyina kambom ne eto aba yi nipa no dia na chese democracy. But ubisa ho say oto aba eyi nipa no a esese odi ebresen ana oto aba yi no ba ko ana chese no ano na mawie obetransfer akosi so obewu ana. Enunti no there is a whole study about term no nipa no bedi ewa akonwa so ne length.
Okay.
Enti countries bi ye wo mo de 4 years. Ebi ye wo mo de 5 years. Ebi ye wo mo de 7 years. So baby kura ye 2 years.
Okay.
So na ubisa ho say edie ben and considerations ne komu a odi be determine say we SSA no 3 years and 4 years and 10 years and complete study in political science ya ese utimi eko enye debate nketenkete ya ye no baabi no complete study decision be obi taking no ewo big impact ewo minor mamu so.
Okay.
On say usua economics ya I say price we be fix price ya where demand and supply meet no anya equilibrium price sir. Wo de ba politics mu ene abato ayeto no mu a eno nso no ewo niema factors bi o ha eno so meet a ena onya equilibrium length of tenure for any democratic society. Se ukoto aba uni bibia odi be kire se nipa no a ye to amano no obeye president papa ana obeye president bone because campaign time de obia be ni campaign obia be ka se obeye adwuma no yi obeye adwuma nti untimi during campaign difficult to distinguish between the obey good president and the obey bad president. So, say, utiye ye na unya good president ya. Ya na, in the interest of the country, say, kasa good president no, obe transwa che, nwati mi anya maximum benefit from sa president no.
Yeah.
Na, utiye nye ye, na ukonya bad person ono so order major minor na open senka ene ya metomu anu kura kira mintimintu no free hom fa nipa from ra ba wato amana wi.
Okay.
Enunti no ono so the more obeche so no ena obenya time ase o minor Kwesi. So
yeah.
Enti these two factors ba bi ebehia no ena obehu uchusu period ya length of tenure enye long enough but tenure wuntimi enya the maximum benefit from a good president.
Okay.
Ba obenya optimum benefit. Na sa tenure no so no short enough say ukunya bad president ya ono so ubetimi akati ni destruction no so at a certain point. Inti say ye choose 4 years no ana maximum akoye 8 years no ya dwen at that time ne say 8 years ye maximum say obi say o man no ukonya president bi no say o man no at least you bet me authority for 8 years.
Okay.
Near you na free ho. Say nya president papa so no ye o man no ya. Ono so no 8 years no yentimi nya all the benefit from that person. But because yentimi guarantee say da bia benya ni papa party no. Yemfanto 8 years ho. Eja say ni papa bi ba 8 years no betimi aye bi. Se oye nipa bone fo nso a 8 years we bet me tolerate no.
Okay.
And I fix it currently new constitutional review committee at the adjourn say ye move ko 5 years ya. Ebeboa 4 years ni 5 years enye ade bia ebe create problem kase bia but we are wadwin say President Mahama na wo hwe no ahyemra no a uko gi term limits no free ho a nse na do betimi agina
Okay.
na mo nwene no ho wo ye free ho nti wo si obia betimi akọ nti obia betimi agina.
Okay.
Se uti anye ye na ebia President Mahama ye penui a ye nije ho a ye ka se ebia ontra ho bie mu uni control over the elections. Se koto aba no ono anwini na nipa bonefo obi be nwini a ono so wa ma no license ontra so forever
On fanko.
ba bibia ye pese ye debate ko bia no mumie mfocus se President Mahama ntina ye yen discussi enhunu se so term limit na ye de aba no eboa o man no democratic stabilization no anase emmoa no.
Oche said there is no third term for anybody. Ya anje chere Ghana sa na enye na pen so ana ebe chere Ghana sa. Because as you get here fie calculations na. Say Ghana Mahama san go for third term. I want to ya share control by president. Na say now no. O ka so Mahama san go for third term. Na say 6 to 7 years ahead. Yeah, the 6 to 7 years because you get here fie wa. No no ba kokura. Here da kunya ba going to be international. I was will be corrupt. Was it no third term for Mahama? What is your take on this? Should I want you to have a conversation? I Penyah Block Media.